So our Keurig stopped working. My wife, she wants me to try and fix it. Well, let's see if we can fix this Keurig with our 12 gauge with a 3-inch shell full of double-aught buck. You told me to fix it! Well, I don't think she was very happy about that. But we already shot it once, so we might as well shoot it one more time. Well, she is going to be pleased with this. That looks good as new. I think we will be enjoying lots of coffee in the future. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned how to fix your Keurig today. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this every week, please subscribe to our channel. You can also check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All the links are in the description below. This is Kentucky Ballistics, and we'll see you next week.